Hey, awesome music people. We're working on the song Ode to Joy. It's in the key of G, and essentially we just following the melody. So you're thinking this, which all falls in the chords, the G and the D. Da, da. And I'm plucking from this finger, the ring finger, middle finger, pointer finger, 3, 2, 1. I played D7, and we play it again. And then, oh yeah, second part. Now, quite often, most of the time when I'm figuring out a song like that, I might first just play it out and just get to know where all the notes are. So when I get to that point, I go, and just know what note happens. Let's play it one more time, and I'll give you the chords as we go. Starts in the G chord. These are all forms of G within the scale. We're going to do the D chord next. D, D, back to G. And then just going up the scale, down the scale. Then go back to D, back to G. And then to D. G, D, G, D, E minor, D. Sorry, G. Solely. I feel like I could play it 1,000 times because it just feels great every time. I'm sure you got this. Keep up the great work and be awesome.